What's up, guys? Pandora, the crypto babe, postcard diva. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm back with one of my little favorite low-ticket programs. I got started with this program. Matter of fact, I looked at my welcome email a year ago. So I've been promoting M.A.P for 1 year now, my automatic pay. I like this system because it's instant pay. Okay, it's instant pay. Now, I want to run down a few. I made some notes. Okay. The link is in the description. You can go check this thing out, www.besteasyworkincome.com. Okay, run through that funnel and check it out. I wrote down eight reasons why I like this program. Number one, it's 100% commissions. Okay, you pay 100% commission, no middleman. Okay, you don't have to split this commission with anybody. Number two, you're paid member to member. Instant payments any way you want, directly from the person who signs up at your link. Number three, no monthly fees. Okay, you don't have no monthly fees with this. Number four, it's affordable for the masses. It's only one-time payment of $280. Okay, that's it. Number five, it's a simple and newbie-friendly, non-technical skills way of earning. Okay, so a new person, okay, that's never made money online, that's not really computer savvy, as long as you can copy and paste the basic computer skills, this would work for you. Number six, it's only one level, so you don't have to worry about different levels with this program. One level, $247. That's it, that's all. Okay, all right. Number seven, all-in-one plug-and-play system. It comes with a sales funnel. It comes with an autoresponder with the follow-up email series. And it comes with marketing resources, guys, all under one roof for $280. That's a steal. Number eight, it's a global opportunity. Anyone in the world, all over the world, can join this opportunity. Okay, because as long as they can accept their payments, however they can accept their payments, wherever they are, even if they're outside the country, that's all that matters. Okay, so that's some of the reasons, 8 reasons why I love the program. You make $247 over and over, as I just explained. Complete sales funnel, full autoresponder, no monthly fees. You get a members area. You get done for you traffic, the resources that's in the back office. Okay, just went over all that with you, right? This page you're looking at, watch this video, 4-minute video. It explains the program. This page explains the program. Okay, this is a one sales page closer. Okay, just this page alone could close many sales for you. Okay, it includes digital products that show you how to make money online. Digital products is where it is, guys. It's the easiest way to make money online because the owners of these programs have done all the heavy lifting. They've created the product. They've created the pages. They've created the capture pages, the system. They handle all the customer issues. Your job is just to promote the program and get paid any way you want. The company owner does not collect the commissions for you and then pay you. You're paid directly and instantly. This program includes what's called a reverse one-up. Okay, you pay $280, right? $33 goes to the company to keep everything running smooth, the website, the back office, all that good stuff. Then $247 goes to the person you sign up with. Okay, it's your first sale. Okay, so you make $247 right back on your first sale. Okay, then your second sale, as they're illustrating it right here, your second sale passes up Okay, everybody passes up their second sale, and from the third sale to infinity, all those sales you get to keep. Not to mention everybody that signs up with you and purchases this product, their second sale is going to pass up to you, which is giving you leverage. Okay, so in essence, you're earning $494 per person that signs up with you with this program. Very affordable. $247. That's it. That's all you need to do is promote the program. The system is already set up, done for you. One-page presentation. Okay, $280. See it right here. $33 to the company, $247 to your enrollment. All right, this thing is still paying out. Okay, the program is still up and running. Your job is just to promote it. The owner of this company also, what I like is he's hands-on and he's available as well. He has his number in the back office. Okay, I haven't seen any program where the owner is putting his or her phone number in the back office where people can actually reach out to them. I've spoken to the owner, Frank. He's a nice guy. Okay, so this thing works if you work it. Now, one of my favorite ways to promote this opportunity, and really any opportunity, one of my favorites, let me show you. Right here, getting traffic. Paid advertising is one of my most favorite ways. Okay, because all you need is a debit card to make a payment to have a vendor send traffic to your website. A click of a button. So getting traffic equals cash. Without leads, you have nobody, no eyeballs looking at your opportunity. Without no traffic, which is eyeballs and visitors, there's no cash. Okay, so this is one of my most favorite ways, is to get traffic. Now, what's so cool about this system, guess what? They give you resources of traffic, many ways to promote it. But I'm talking solo ads right now, okay? So they give you resources in the back office. Now, of course, I have my own personal. I'll be sharing that with you. But what's also a bonus for you is when you join me with this, I'm going to run your first traffic campaign, okay? But let me just show you what's in the back office. Okay, in your back office right here, under M.A.P marketing, turn prospects into members. They give you solo ad vendors. What's a solo ad? Solo ads are when you contact another email list owner who will send an email to his or her list for a small fee. So you pay a fee, they write the email, and then they send the email to their list, okay, which their list is going to point towards your capture page. Okay, this system comes with a few capture pages. I'll show you a few of those, but that's how simple this is. So you don't have to worry about saying, well, I don't want to bug friends and family, and you don't have to. You can just go in the back office here and purchase traffic. Okay, they give you some resources here. All right, so let's take a look. This is a resource I use, Udemy, right? Very simple. Look at the price, 59 cents, 46 cents. I mean, you know, there's certain things you want to look for when you go here. Okay, but we're just going to keep it short. I'm just showing you how simple it is. Get with me. We'll have one-on-one. We'll go over all this stuff. But I just want to show you the simplicity of it. You go here, you find a vendor. Okay, for example, I already pulled this gentleman up here. I have purchased traffic from him before, Thomas Freeman, right? So you look at his stats. Of course, you want to do that, but I'm just showing you how simple it is. You go here, let's say, look at this price, 49 cents a click, right? So let's say you say, hey, let's see, how much is this one? You got $100. So let's say you have less than that. Let's see what 100 is going to be. Oh, it's not going to go all the way down there. That's $88 for 175 visitors, guys. That's great. It's not going down to the 100 mark. So let's just look at this. So for 175, what this means is they're guaranteeing you the visitors. Now they can't guarantee you sales, but if you pay for 175 visitors, they're gonna send 175 visitors, okay, to your link. You see one of my teammates is already in here because I've sent traffic for one of my teammates. But right here, it's going to be $88.75 to send 175 people to your site. That's very reasonable, actually. 49 cents a click. All right. So you just go there and you put your link here. Where do you want them to send it? Okay. And you go here and you check out. Very simple. Very simple. All right. Very easy way to get visitors. And you want to be consistent with this. Set a budget, a marketing budget, and you run traffic. Okay. Very easy. So, can you actually receive payments with this? Does it really work? Yes, let me show you proof payment that this does work, guys. Consistency, okay? Okay, we always want to show a little privacy protection for our folks, so I'm going to cover up the name of the person here. But you can see right here it says sent you 247 and it says M.A.P, right? So, proof payments, this does work, guys, if you work the system. Okay, now remember, when you get started with me, I'm going to run your first traffic campaign. So all you're going to need to do is email me your capture page link, and then I'm going to share with you some resources that I use. Now if you're saying 88 is a little bit too much for your budget, guess what, I've got some resources where you can spend $50, okay, to run traffic. But the first one is on me. Okay, so that being said, the link is in the description. Go check it out, www.besteasyworkincome.com. You definitely want to watch this video right here. It's only 4 minutes. Read over this page, jot down your questions if you have any. Watch this video, okay, jot down your questions and give me a call. We'll talk about it and we'll get you started. So you can get started making these $247 commissions. You can start promoting it. I'm going to run the first traffic campaign. I'm going to have a one-on-one chat with you so we can come up with a marketing plan for you and get you on the road to these instant commissions. All right, guys. So thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.